Hey, it's Bill Hauser here. I wanted to make a quick video on how to use Facebook to market your law firm. As you probably know, if you've been on any of our previous events, Facebook is the fifth highest traffic website in the world. And if you learn how to use this platform to basically interrupt people while they're scrolling through the news feed on Facebook, looking at status updates with their friends or, looking at family member updates or whatever people go on Facebook to do. Actually, there's been studies on this. The main reason that people go on Facebook is to waste time. And a lot of lawyers, I think, when they think about marketing on Facebook, they get down this rabbit hole of how you're going to get consultations from Facebook. But the truth is, if you want to use Facebook to market your law firm, you got to first accept that you're not going to get consultations, or I should say good consultations in 95% of cases from Facebook. So you have to use a different strategy. So we use a strategy on Facebook that's called a lead magnet strategy. So a lead magnet strategy is where instead of asking for something with our Facebook ads going, call me, I'm the best injury lawyer in X area, which that ad probably won't even get approved, to be honest, on Facebook. You'd want to instead say, here's something valuable for you to download, okay, which is called a lead magnet. So that would be something like an ebook, or right now, something we're thinking through doing is we did a 3-hour web training on how we run our entire company and get 300% growth in our company using project management tools internally. And we're thinking about repackaging that 3-hour training into what'll be used as a Facebook ad. Okay. And that will be reframed as a download this 3-hour free training, right? In exchange for your email and your name, get free access to this 3-hour training that took place last week on how to run your law firm from start to finish using the tools that we use to 3x our company year over year, 2 years in a row. And that is a lead magnet. That's something that if someone's scrolling through Facebook and they have that pain point, they see your ad, they're going to go, oh my gosh, wow, something of value. Now, you're thinking, what the heck? I'm going to pay for clicks. I'm going to pay money for clicks to give someone something for free? How does that make sense? That's probably what you're thinking. Well, the truth is by doing that, you're actually getting their contact information, which then means you can follow up with them and nurture them to get a free consultation down the road, okay? Whether that's in a couple of days or a couple of weeks. So that's the best strategy that we found is, first, you want to create a lead magnet, okay, that lets you capture contact information. By creating a lead magnet that's relevant to your practice area, you're getting someone to raise their hand and say, yes, attorney, I'm interested in X topic. Whether it's something about how to avoid, a nightmare and divorce in your state, or whatever the topic of the book is, how to find a good workers' comp doctor, something that's relevant to someone who would be qualified in your market. So that gets them to raise their hand, say, yeah, I'm interested in that topic, okay? Then you nurture them, which then can turn them into a consultation, right? And then, after that point, you're then left with this amazing asset that's called an email list. Okay, so that's the theory. That's the power of YouTube that we've seen, or I'm sorry, of Facebook as it works the best. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about, okay, is how do you actually show ads to the right people on Facebook? And the best way to do that is to actually just upload your email list. If you have an email list of people who have done business with you before, you'd want to upload that, and then you can show your ads to just that audience based on it. You upload their first name and last name, and then Facebook will read their profiles online, their first name, last name, email. So you can upload an email list, but one of the best ways is what's called the pixel audience, which you got to be careful with in PI and criminal defense because they don't really let you pixel. But what you would want to do is you'd want to put a pixel on your main website, okay? Which means everyone who ever visits your main website or any of your advertising landing pages, they then would be a pixel would be put on their browser so that you can follow them around the internet. And we found that the pixel and the email list audience are usually the highest value audiences you could possibly use when you're doing Facebook ads. So you have a lead magnet, which leads to a lead capture form where you capture their information, and then you're only showing those ads to the hottest of hot audience. Those 3 prongs right there are what we've found is the secret sauce to Facebook ad success for lawyers. So again, the topic of this video is using Facebook to market your law firm. And the reason I didn't talk about doing, free posts on your personal Facebook page is because yes, it is pay to play. All right. So in order to really market your firm on Facebook, I should say, you need to get used to spending money on ads, having lead magnets, channeling the people who download those lead magnets into an audience, and then showing those ads only to your hottest leads. So I hope you found this valuable. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm actually making this video right now because I'm doing a workshop right now on how lawyers can blow up their brand on YouTube, okay, by making videos like this without putting too much crazy thought into it. And now I'm going to upload this video on YouTube, and it's going to show up first for the keyword that I upload it for. So I hope that you implement what you learned in this on Facebook. And if you did, let us know in the comments below the outcome or any questions that you have from this content. Again, subscribe to our channel so you get notifications when our next video comes out. See you later.